It has been 2 months since the lumbar fusion surgery. That's pedicle screws and rods and a cage, and this is what it is. So the lumbar fusion. Okay, so first of all, I'd just like to see you walk. Good. How do you feel with your posture?
Yeah, good.
Do you feel straight?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, good. And then back. Fantastic. Are you getting any pain in your legs when you walk?
No.
Anything much in your back?
No, it just feels stiff.
A little bit stiff. Okay. Because you haven't started physio yet? Okay. Now, can I just see you do a little bit? I know you haven't done much of that, but let's start getting that going. So let's see you bend. Can you go right down to your knees? Yeah, wow. That is superb. Does it hurt at all? Just stiffness?
Not my back, just here, because I haven't really exercised.
Yeah. That's great. And how about to one side? And the other side? Yeah, so 2 months after lumbar fusion surgery, and it was all done as a day case. Fantastic.